How to link buttons to pages on Wix. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video I'll show you step by step how we can achieve this. Now this is going to be one of the basic things that we can do with Wix, and it's actually going to be very powerful because you can just link from the home page to the shop page, and you get the idea. So let's just go ahead and get to it and show you exactly how to do so. So first I'm just going to open up the edit site option. So just go to your Wix dashboard and open up the edit site or the site editor. So from here, you just want to add the elements that are needed, but I'm just going to wait for this to load and show you what's next. So once we open the site editor, all we need to do is just go ahead and find the section where we want to add the button to. In my case, I'm just going to go down to the bottom here where we can just add a new section, and we can just feel free to add buttons. Now to add a button, it's very simple. You just want to go to the add elements section from the top left. And once you click on that, you just want to click on button. And then you would want to select the button that you actually want to use. So in my case, I'm just going to use this one because I want to redirect people to the shop page. So just go ahead and click on any button that you actually want. And once you do that, you can feel free to resize it to your liking. And you have a lot of adjustments that you can do with it when it comes to layout, design, and more. So just go ahead and place it wherever you want. And then we can just go ahead and move on to the next step. So now that we have the button, all we need to do now to link it to pages is just click on settings. And then from here, we can also choose what displays on the button itself. So we can just do instead shop now. And it's going to add that to the text. And if you want to change the icon, feel free to do so. But most importantly here, to actually link it, again, just click on settings. And from settings, you will find links to. And if you click on that, you will find the choose a link option. You have a few things that you can actually choose. First option, which should be the default for you, which is choose a page. So here you can select a page from this site that is going to be redirected to. So in this case, I'm just going to find the shop page. If I can just find it actually. For some reason, I can't really find the page that I'm looking for. So I'm just going to use this one instead. And then you can also choose how does it open. So whether it's going to open up in a new tab or it's just going to use the current one. Once you are done, you just click on done. And now it should actually redirect to that page. Another thing is if we just add a new button right away from the top, go to buttons and click on this one, for example, even though it's not going to be downloading, but anyways, so add a button and just go to settings. And from settings, we can add a link, an external link to a different site. So we can just go to web address, and then from here we can just go for google.com, for example. And this is pretty much how to link buttons to specific pages. So hopefully you found this video to be informative, and thanks for watching.